I'm going to talk about some of the features and the benefits of the Induction right now. Super safe and easy is one of the benefits. Now, we have a rolling pot of tea here, and I'm actually going to put my hand right here, and it's cool to the touch. Even if I remove this, there'll be a little residual heat on the glass. But the Induction magnetrons really create a burner right to the pot and not the surface, so it's super safe. Another benefit is the cleanability of Induction. Being that this is a glass surface, we can wipe it nice and clean with a microfiber towel, or if we have a heavy stain, we can use a little bit of vinegar and baking soda. It will do the job. Another feature and a benefit is, the fast boiling, the responsive time that Ken talked about. We're gonna put a pot on the stove right here, and we're gonna put 1 cup of water in here, and we're gonna boil this up, and we're gonna pair it next to a gas cooktop and see who boils faster, okay? Let's significantly get our burner here. Let's put it right up to boost, see how long it takes. So in the matter of seconds, we're already boiling, and much I touched on again, I can put my hand right here. It's cool to the touch, meaning that it's only creating that burner of the pot. Nice and easy, it'll just go that far. We can put it back on, we automatically get a responsive boil. But from the response, I can take it from now to a boil, and if I hit 0, it's instant on, instant off. And that's the difference between Induction, the amount of control you have. And that's why we love Induction here at Don's Appliances.